what do you call a pig that does karate? A pork chop. Right now it is 48 degrees. Highs could be at 51 degrees, and the low is at 47 degrees. And we're looking at cloudy for most of the day, with some rain right there. And our air quality is at 36, which is good. And our sunset is at 7:39 p.m. Our wind speeds is at 12 miles per hour right now. It looks like it's gonna stay the same throughout the day. Gonna drop a bit down there, around the 12 a.m. mark. So there's some decent wind speeds today. Gusts are probably up to like 20 miles per hour, or are up to. And our sneak peek for tomorrow, it looks like it's gonna be mostly cloudy with some sunshine. That's nice. 57, lows at 45. So yeah, today and tomorrow is pretty cold. Especially today, because it's only going to get up to 51. So I suggest wear a coat. And that's the weather for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.